4x4 pickup truck ba ang kailangan mo? Check mo itong Triton Athlete 4x4 at baka ito na ang hinahanap mo. SRP 1,909,222 down payment, 38,952 monthly for 5 years. Bagay na bagay sa ito, macho at gwapo ang datingan mo dito. Bagong engine na 2.4 liter, DOC 16 valve, diesel engine with 2-stage turbo. Equipped na siya ng KOS at push start button. Hindi lang yan dahil naka-wireless charging na din si Triton Athlete. All black dashboard design with orange stitching. 9-inch touchscreen monitor with wireless CarPlay Android Auto. Dual zone climate control. Equipped tayo ng 7 airbags, active stability and traction control, and active yaw control. Good news dahil naka 360 degree camera na rin. Better ride, powerful engine, and loaded